our next segment, Live Prime. Today is the birth anniversary of freedom fighter Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a great Indian social reformer and freedom fighter. He was one of the prime architects of modern India and probably the strongest advocates of Swaraj, a self-rule for India. His famous declaration, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," served as an inspiration for future revolutionaries during India's struggle for freedom. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tributes to Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak on his birth anniversary.
हमारी ये भारत भूमि बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा है। जैसे संतों की एक महान परंपरा हमारे देश में रही, उसी तरह से सामर्थ्यवान मां भारती को समर्पित महापुरुषों ने इस धरती को अपना जीवन आहूत कर दिया, समर्पित कर दिया। एक ऐसे ही महापुरुष हैं लोकमान्य तिलक, जिन्होंने अनेक भारतीयों के मन में अपनी गहरी छाप छोड़ी। हम 23 जुलाई को तिलक जी की जयंती और 1 अगस्त को उनकी पुण्यतिथि में उनका पुण्य स्मरण करते हैं। लोकमान्य तिलक साहस और आत्मविश्वास से भरे हुए थे। उनमें ब्रिटिश शासकों को उनकी गलतियों का आईना दिखाने की शक्ति और बुद्धिमत्ता थी। अंग्रेज लोकमान्य तिलक से इतना अधिक डरे हुए थे कि उन्होंने 20 वर्षों में उन पर 3 बार राजद्रोह लगाने की कोशिश की।
Today is also the birth anniversary of great revolutionary Chandrasekhar Azad. Azad was a revolutionary who reorganized the Hindustan Republican Association under its new name of Hindustan Socialist Republican Army after the death of its founder Ram Prasad Bismil and 3 other prominent party leaders. Azad dreamt of liberating his country from the shackles of enslavement and did not shy away from making any sacrifice whatsoever on the altar of their motherland. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to Chandrasekhar Azad by sharing a video. Queen's Bohemian Rhapsody has smashed the 1 billion views mark on social media platform YouTube, making it the first pre-1990 music video to do so on the video sharing site. This was reported by YouTube and the band's management and record company. In celebration, the band has released a HD remastered music video of the iconic 1975 track. Queen also wants fans around the world to enter a competition to appear in 3 new music videos for its classic songs, Bohemian Rhapsody, Don't Stop Me Now and A Kind of Magic, which will feature fan shot footage. Queen is currently touring America with its worldwide The Rhapsody Tour. The band's 2018 film biopic, Bohemian Rhapsody, earned lead actor Rami Malek a Best Actor Oscar for playing frontman Freddie Mercury. It also relaunched Queen's music to old and new fans. The new music videos featuring fan footage will be published on the band's official YouTube channel this year.
Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening me.
And how would you react if you see a statue walking on the roads? Locals were up for a surprise treat as they found amusing statues among themselves. Over 100 fantastical statues came alive in Belgium as street artists showed off their creations at Europe's biggest living statue festival. Far from the frozen poses usually adopted by living statues performing on street corners across Europe, the artists at the March in Famen festival interacted with the public, playing with children and dancing with spectators. The living statue artists, some of whom came from outside Europe, were reportedly seen by 50,000 visitors.